Hi, today we are going to see how to create a table in TextMaker, file new, where you can type the document class 12 point A4 paper and article. Next slash begin document. Okay. After this, what you have to do is go to wizard. There is option called quick tabular. When you open a quick tabular, it opens the quick tabular screen where you can find out the number of rows and number of columns. Now I had 2 columns is there and 2 rows are there. I want to increase this column to 3 and the row will be 5. Now I can enter the column name here, serial number, name, course. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Name, Aditya. IT. IT. And yes, Madan. IT. BSc IT. So where I inserted the number of rows and number of columns here and press OK button, automatically where you can find the table has been inserted here. See here, after this begin document, so there is a end document is there. Okay, now press here, and there is a spelling mistake in the document, and now I am correcting it. Now what I have to do is here you can find out the table heading, name and course. There is one first column, second column and third column, and the respective rows are presented. You want to type manually, means you can type manually by 5 by using a dollar symbol like that. Okay, now I have to run this program. Click here. I have to save this file. Before running it, just click OK and press save button. Here table. Run this program here. I think you had an error here in this line. I think underscore is there. Now put an icon, click run button. See, the table has been displayed here. Okay, so this is a way you can create a table in TextMaker. And one more thing is, I want to put a heading on this top of the table. That is how to create it here. Just in this begin, use begin table. You can select it from here or use table. See, here automatically comes here. So every table begin, there will be end option there. I'm pasting after the tabular end. So next I have to type a centering here, slash centering, which make the table to be centered here. Now you run this, so same thing will be there. Now I want to put a caption here, slash caption. Caption heading is shows student details. Now you run this. See here, the table has been inserted here, as well as the caption of this table has been displayed here. Now, what I have to do is, I can use this document to the previously document which I have done in the previous section. I'm copying this entire section, copy. I'm opening the existing document open. There is a paragraph style is there. So here last classes we have discussed about how to create a paragraph here. Next in this end of this paragraph, I am pasting the document here. That is pasting the table code here. Okay, so in order to display the code of the next page, just press run button. See here automatically the table has been pasted here. That is a table has been what the previous class now we have created a table has been inserted. So like this way you can insert the table. Okay, so next what you have to do is, so next we have to create a figures. After this table, how to create a figure? I'm opening the new document, or the previous document, table document is there. So here I want to create a figure. Okay, there is a package called the article slash use package graphic X. So this is a command to insert a graphical pictures in this. Okay, before inserting a graphical picture, you have to create a picture and save it in the respective folder. So I have saved a picture in this folder. What you have to do is just go to latex. There is option called insert, that is include graphic file. Click this, it will open a tab. Click here and select that which folder you have stored the graphic images. There is an image called text where my files are here. Click open. Just press OK button. Okay, now you run this. So it gives. See, now the figure has been here. So table as well as the figure. So here you can that is where you can create that is a scale width. You can increase. There is a scale is there. You can make it as 3.3. So now the scale, that is picture size has been reduced 5. The picture size has been some more bigger like that. So now I have to insert a caption after this figure. Just give a caption. Okay, here there shows voltage and time simulation. Now you run this program. That is now you have to insert a table. Here you have to insert a graph. Okay, so slash begin figure. So every figure there is option called end. Okay, end figure. Now I'm pasting here. Now run this. See, now the caption has been displayed here. So for table, you have to use begin table and end table. Inside this, you can make a tabular. And for every figures, if you insert it, you have to start with the begin figure and the respective command to insert the figure and the end figure. This includes graphics as well as scale width of that image and the which path the image is stored. Now the image is PNG, JPEG, or the image can be here. This caption is to display here. Now here I want to make it as a HBT, that is bottom of this table. Now you can use this. Now it is be next to this picture. Now I want to center this figure centering. Now you run this program. Now the figure has been centered. Okay, same code, I am just copying it and pasting in the existing paragraph document which we have created already. So after this table, I am pasting here. Okay. So next here, what I have to do is we have to use a code use graphic image X, which means your graphic picture has to be used by using this include slash option. Now you run this coding. See here, the table is there as well as the figure is there. So like this way, you can create a table and execute the table and execute the graph like the graph. Now what I have to do is there is another option called HBT, which means the table option which comes after the table. Now I want to insert some paragraph that is after this table. Okay, after this table. Now here there is option called paragraph. End of this table slash paragraph. Now I have to insert some paragraph here. Just copying some paragraph. Now see, the table has been went before this 2.1. I have to bring this table on the reliability next to this. What I have to do is in this slash begin table, use a square bracket HBT, which means the table to become at the bottom of this next to this. Now run button. Now you can see this table has been come to the next to 2.1.2. Next, I have to center this table where you can use the option called slash centering. Now you run this. So now the table has been centered. After this figure, I want one more paragraph. What I have to do is go to this end of this figure. Here, use slash paragraph and then I'm copying the existing paragraph here and then pasting here. Now you run this. See here, table and the content, figure, caption and the tender. So this is a way you can be able to create a table and figures in the existing document where you can implement this option.